Hey everybody, Alex Makinson here. Well, I thought I'd do another generator online review. This one is about the 5500 to 7.5 kilowatt diesel silent generator that I found here on Trade Me here in New Zealand. So here's the information and the specs on it for you all to read. Like I said before, pause the video and have a read. This is the Bullmax BGM GD 6500, just as an example for the review of this video. So that's all the features and specs there. I absolutely love these things. I've been wanting a generator since I was 14 years old. So here we are. These are awesome sets, these. They come on nice roller wheels, which is good for easy manoeuvrability. So yeah. See, I'll show you a big close-up view of the machine. So there we go. Look at that, guys. Isn't that awesome? See, there's the 4 roller wheels down there, though. One there, and one over there. So, there. This is the Bullmax BMG D6500. 5.5 kilowatt to 7.5 kilowatt generator. Like it says there. 12 horse engine. Yep, and yeah, it's got a 12 horse engine and a BMG D6500 is the model number. So there we are, got a lifting hook there. There's your fuel tank. This is a diesel generator, by the way, it's not petrol. So yeah, there's your exhaust pipe there, that black nozzle sticking up out the top there. So that is awesome, don't you think? Bullmax. So yeah, well, you all have an awesome week and take care.